Samsung's Galaxy A15 5G launched back in December, and the Korean company is already testing its successor, the Galaxy A16 5G, which was just spotted in the Geekbench online results database today with the model number SML166P. Galaxy A16 4G has passed the first test with the build number A165FXXU0AXH7, which indicates an early stage of development. The Galaxy A16 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 SoC, and the prototype tested had 6 GB of RAM. The phone unsurprisingly ran Android 14 and has achieved 514 in a single-core test and 1,464 in a multi-core test on the database. The Galaxy A16 5G comes with a 6.5-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. On the back, the Galaxy A15 5G features a triple camera setup: 50-megapixel, 5-megapixel, 2-megapixel, and 13-megapixel selfie snapper. The handset is backed by 5,000 mAh battery that supports 25-watt charging via USB Type-C. Hopefully its successor will upgrade some of these. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.